Subtracting real numbers. These are the steps. Step number 1. Change subtraction to addition. Step number 2. Add the additive inverse or opposite of the number that is subtracted. Example number 1. 6 minus negative 8. So we are going to change this subtraction to addition and then add the additive inverse of negative 8. The additive inverse of negative 8 is positive 8. So this is now equal to 6 plus 8. This is now addition. If the signs of the numbers being subtracted are the same, we add their absolute values. The absolute value of 6 is 6 and the absolute value of 8 is 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. Then we follow the sign that is common. The common sign is the positive. So the answer is positive 14 or simply 14. Example number 2. Negative 5 minus 9. It is understood the sign of 9 is positive. So we are going to change the operation subtraction to addition and then add the additive inverse of positive 9. The additive inverse of positive 9 is negative 9. So this is now equal to negative 5 plus negative 9. This is now addition. If the numbers we are adding have the same signs, we add their absolute values and then we use the common sign. The absolute value of negative 5 is 5 and the absolute value of negative 9 is 9. 5 plus 9 is 14. Then we use the common sign which is the negative. So this is now equal to negative 14. The answer is negative 14. Example number 3. 15 minus 7. It is understood the sign of 7 is positive. So we are going to change the operation subtraction to addition and then add the additive inverse of positive 7. The additive inverse of positive 7 is negative 7. So this is now equal to 15 plus negative 7. This is now addition. When we add two numbers with different signs, we are going to subtract their absolute values. The absolute value of 15 is 15 and the absolute value of negative 7 is 7. 15 minus 7 is 8. And then we follow the sign of the number with greater absolute value. The number with greater absolute value here is 15. So we are going to use the sign of 15, which is the positive. So this is now equal to positive 8 or simply 8. Number 4. Negative 18 minus negative 2. We are going to change the operation subtraction, this one, to addition, and then add the additive inverse of negative 2. The additive inverse of negative 2 is positive 2. So this is now equal to negative 18 plus 2 or plus positive 2. This is now addition. The signs are different. The sign of negative 18 is negative and the sign of 2 is positive. So we are going to subtract their absolute values. The absolute value of negative 18 is 18 and the absolute value of 2 is 2. 18 minus 2 is 16. Then we are going to follow the sign of the number with the greater absolute value. Negative 18 has greater absolute value than 2. So we are going to use the sign of negative 18. So this is now equal to negative 16. Example number 5. 2.5 minus 1.3. It is understood the sign of 1.3 is positive. We are going to change this subtraction operation to addition and then add the additive inverse of positive 1.3. The additive inverse of positive 1.3 is negative 1.3. So this is now equal to 2.5 plus negative 1.3. This is now addition. The sign of 2.5 is positive and the sign of negative 1.3 is negative. They differ in signs, so we are going to find their difference. That means we are going to subtract their absolute values. The absolute value of 2.5 is 2.5 and the absolute value of negative 1.3 is 1.3. 2.5 minus 1.3 is 1.2. And then we are going to follow the sign of the number with the greater absolute value. 2.5 has greater absolute value than negative 1.3. So we are going to follow the sign of 2.5, which is the positive. So this is now equal to positive 1.2 or simply 1.2. Number 6 example. 4 over 9 minus negative 3 over 9. We are going to change the operation subtraction, this one, to addition. And then we are going to add the additive inverse of negative 3 over 9. The additive inverse of negative 3 over 9 is positive 3 over 9. So this is now equal to 4 over 9 plus 3 over 9. The signs of the two fractions are the same. This is now addition. And when we add two numbers with the same signs, we just add their absolute values and follow the common sign, which is positive. So the absolute value of 4 over 9 is 4 over 9, and the absolute value of 3 over 9 is 3 over 9. The denominators are the same, so we just add the numerators. 4 plus 3 is 7. So this is now equal to 7 over 9.